bia Chief Justice Abomazan Abakansa of Infirmanto Nitro Ogwa or the Akisi Ababo Fom Den Pempersa Gani Yetumidri or day to me a bia. A timberful na some defo batinamo home until we see or ye fiad and a fuffle. Damara sooner insuru to toy in Nazam mapping yen a work home century day. A quanpire for the eye Hennessy say or the hoppy riba and a pay his account or ye unreal of Yapum Dinasoi. Or the same opinion ituma to ga nkankan eti dia say anhwe ye ya obutum na wetu atase wo oye hemare damara so na institute yara amman mpanyimfo ahoro a wodzi bano dodorara na etwana more charge nkankan frankatia ozema oye MPP aye amayekunu bo mazen kwa pro ko hweze otumoro kodo no so etum na aye na afamzi Pempensa na zimba esidan ahoro na efie wodin ma ebo a no buyadzen ma esuafo afbre to be work home no oye commissioner odan organ ha abafinfirmanto nkankan oye ehweponum UCC ina PR akaka ho na ndaso ya ka hitan ta babo ababa bensem P etuma achrawon mezeneze OMAR bin ABDULLAH yenda ihu sima yeba mba bembiara wasobete Benson mama akwa bebiem. Yes, asisa he kwakasha se fifi firmanto maha. Opeyina amampen eyin de. Onye Chief Justice nonhwe Ghana atemrafo hunu dwumezi montum no onkwenyem no. Abamazin etinani hinim bakansa ofi firmanto mnitro gwa. Za ababaye ande awode pempenso ayetum yedri. Bia atemrafo tumtena mbreyimfo tumtena ka sammotum no yasmodwe no. Ebe ya fofo na efi etum na aboa dompi na woka oya dam openi ho mechira oya justice bafbo ne bakansa wogo mensim ha na oda kese bofo nchire nsem de mpempeso aga na yetum yeduri peyefu pi na abaye ho na afomezi tumko tedum pempeso ya no so baye na afomezi yetum na eza aboa bafbo ne chief justice send so de edum pempeso izi bosonko mama oya he atembo djuman ana bobo amampuntu djuma pinjan etuma akodo abra Ghana kebemi kebi kita hinisem yinketei oya chief justice za odsumo sodo
this year we are potential and another amount for the country can go to the aba abasi you go free her they do have things. Every brother will do 170 or 200 million. We pay it's the very after 41. In another tool, the foundation. Yes, so they give that to us. Now, the actual matter, and here I get done. It's the theme of the celebration. We remember the past, remembering the past. Because the key to the future is in the past. So, what is our point? Also, we say, I'm here. So, we're here. So one day is here. I know young year you are having look at here and I look for here and I will be yeah, what's a very it's you know, we remember the past. I will I years so I always here. I was said, Zuma I was here celebrating. After defining the higher future, Chairman Time, historians even say Agreement that took this right in the year from Canada. It had a year first. It's young baby. Then you look at it, one of the important after the years. There's a celebrity. The people that will be why you're the war of the Roma. It's a institution that's for 150 years. I've gone through colonial times, through civil early days of independence, that go through military regimes in and for the 2 years now, we are about to do that. We now free the Pakistani division. And in Japan, 2013 and 2020, the vision was called upon to determine who was going to be the president. And to my year, and I'm my head, peace, ever we have always reported to him, we are very, very pleased on this. And because we expect some more contribution.
Damansam Kriyara na Henemahin Osabarama Dr. Kwisatha Otodebien Children same day yedum pempenso a Ghana hekemem kebin afane tampefra Ibu pepper yeson ko mama henembran etum na afane tampefra nti yedum pempenso damezi abababaza obobo ma Ghana hekemem kebin amado mamponto dwuma so etum afane tampefra Ghana ikita asomdwe na kuriya obobwa na etum na yakwen papa Osabarama Dr. Kwisatha Babe Nsamipi de ka ho abira anuanem samkyerofo na dom etumehia ma wode akesere bofo.
And the more we are over to what India, Mama Bakaria, the way I was so low, exchange of ideas. So, our friend, now, India, then, OMAR, anything so low. If it's not anything, why did I Asia? Problem is there. There's a young one. Go to the see how India what is there. Then India saw there. Now we pick the one on the back of the term, Yansan, or what do you get? I cited two examples as a trade. But I put the mother, once I had a trade, Ofinama, SNA, water, what of coffee, this is the legal just because judgment away was fulfilled. Ghana. So Morocco, Israel, last week for the lights. So, all the let's prove to the whole world that the system of our
Domin sami na oye yen osabarima Dr. Kusata Dutugwa abra hije samba da obisi oye atemofo hunefie foforo. Ensu ya asha sedada ato ama nazima pindan damad ofibra tobere no iboniti da sokra ensu abasei njapati ahoro da maase na dompi so etuma hwero nkwa eyama aya Ghana payfa wudi banno ayroho akatememufo akampanyimfo osane de sayehwa kwana bilimetuma afara ahwe ho nkwa na chede ebo yehu adabo boy ma yensesi esronkwa nchedamatu yenchemi ibinensi ayaga na mpempetu biem iya mampemfepi na wo kwa apro tutasa manfo tutasa banen mpanyimfo de sabi unta na ma babwa Franka tunya ozema oye MPP amayoku nkana ncho amampanyin na zechiru ozema dontin kwa apro kama nazimba nsu akohune dem ase hune japade kama ona awachichiri sam de mobeden biara no so baba ababwa ma awachichiri no ama esoro kakra aba nazimba hunumu amampanyin kanu ezechiru na raso Franka tuye zema oye MPP kwa apro no wie no zinzama anonzi ahoro emo na baby obi yetida kosiburu ese matressa damaso na baby obi yi egwaresan oye bucket ahoro etum egwarum na sabi utum dare kire ho wiram amampayin kan no ejechi a oye Franka tin amane sam na orekano no anyatra damara tan marma oye honorable akosuye menu bijira nanim konkran apro Zenzama huwa nkano mampene zechil Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na so Franka Chinzime aya MPP amayeko no kachei na ahuna awoje nzama so dana hunase papa de ordinary say na fi wotum na waye
de yehu ewo efom na botai ba kwa eda ne so ne ball share so no ejina party no so ne fapim se party no enya kwan na eba abemu a epija ankunamfo ne omo asebe omo hyebre ayedin a omo nya nipa empeja omo no boni friend social protection ene se ahochi bi se ba na ese yeden ye boa yeni aban mu de ene osan so si so se we nya amanyosem ne yenhwe na de bitumi aye a ye beboa ye ho no ne ayeden ya boa nti eno abo hye ye no eno na we di so ena ode niema ya ewa he abeboa eye anyanso twinfo nti ene hu ye wa ha bo hye ye no na ye ya bejana na mu a ye di so
yo minyaba de dikan woni asoma on tie dikan da wase ne ada osoro so nyankopon so ase so ama na dey so aye possible enkra ye dey mawo e dey akoma ye papa Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia an say yes nyame onhira no ye ni so pa say endra ye manfo enwa kire wo kwa wo ye hie mu say no otwa nani ebehwe yen ye ni so bebre oba ye so wo hwese da na ebinum kasa ene se dia na wire stranded afa na o se wobo so be bro mattress nyame ado mattress no so odi aba ye ni so bebre de kan se nyame nhira no na ondom na ne timpo bia no nyame mani mbrem in fact no crossema wo mu ni se anya so to esopa endra oba Santa Maria nti nyame odi abai ɛyɛ Santa Maria for endra ɔbɛhwɛ ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ ahoyɛhia mu no ɔmo nti ɛna ɔde baeɛ efisɛ ɔbɛhwɛ sɛdeɛ na ɔmo ayɛ no na ɛyɛ atete nti ɔhyɛ ɔmo bɔ ɛna sɛ ɔyɛ panyin ɔhyɛ bɔ odi so nti no ɔde aba yɛ so yɛ hyɛ mo bɔ sɛ wɔn ɔkɔɔ wɔn nkyɛn wɔ Santa Maria no mo firi apɛ ɔmo ɛna yɛde kɔmɔ ɔmo mɛka wei ɛma ɔmo ɔda electoral areas then we say ɛnyɛ deliberate.
Dame nsɛm na nazimba ahorow a binom gyenzɛmɛ tumudutugwa. Yɛkɔ hene yi ma Ghana mbra a ɔkasa fa aya adan ne se ho na adan ne ha ho no. Yɛhwɛ Ghana mbra yi ma wɔse at 1963 at 220 ma nazimba ho ankasa wudu ho sika esidan na wɔdze ma ha no ɛngye sika botina ayɛ ya albaha dan onto mentua kyerɛnse me dɛ mbra aboa ma adan ha tumi fone tempo franye abosu na sia sabi wara adema ankwankoro ma wotumo yetida dama so na afekore zema adwumaku ahorowa sabi obaha dan no atumi edi hono dwuma anani sika botina awodo atumi na agi na wia nyaza ade dan na kyere mom na wo kyerɛnse ma na kyerda ɔyɛ bosom ne tuai na so atwamenbu ama nazimba wa wokɔ ɔyɛ school ama wiza ayɔ ho papa osana atwamenbu a wodegye school fu maframa ama abatane duso papa batane kana nta wobare kwasuepo no ma kawa wo school hɔ nti ama ntumonkɔ na mmom ende adan ama ayɛ adan a abofo no kanyeti da adam no abɛyɛ kwadan da ma batane twa ho yɛ mkanfogban na aye banizinya amampanyin yin da Ghana ha yinara ohwe na ontoto nzama kosibu onye bakata Rare Control Commission aye acting abakansa of infirmanto mesueponum UCC yin nazama esidan atwetwe nkomo akyerensem de wo fambra kwando nzi dwumaza ano de ozembra ne beye dwuma opanyina aye acting Red Commission de some to gwa abran some chofu gina ho apaye Frederick opoku babe same de pempen so wabakansa of infirmanto meeting kanka UCC auto safran nasema wesi de hinara anya obodhwenkomo.
So now I think fast forward, this is my 7th hostel around UCC that I am certainly trying to inspect with the president and the team. And this time around, let me show appreciation to the leadership of the university itself, Dean of Students, Deputy Dean of Students, presidents, the team, grassroots presidents, and all of them have shown enough that they really want to make sure that the laws of the Republic on rent also works. At this point in time, you could see I came here and some of them are running away. I always say that those who do good will live by good. But if you do bad, you run away. People keep on running away because they know that we are in town. But I think I necessarily didn't come here to enforce anything. I came here, as it were, to inspect and to ascertain with the petition that looks brought before myself and the Ministry of Works and Housing and Water Resources. But I am scandalized. I'm shocked. I'm ashamed on seeing the skyrocketing fees charges without no recourse to law. Hostel operators, some of them are still defying the directive that I gave that they should be stopped from adding on with their fees. Now I have nothing to do any longer as I keep on cautioning them to act. Enough of my 6 months of talking about rents and arbitrary way of people charging students and parents suffering. This government under President John Dramani Mahama believes the rent laws of the Republic must work. And I don't have any business to do if the first gentleman of the land also believes that the laws of rent has to work. It is on this note that tomorrow, 1st July, I want to let everybody know that I'm not hostile at all. And I will all the time ensure that I engage the stakeholders. In this case, hostel operators. Tomorrow, it is 1st July. I've scheduled a meeting to meet all hostel operators in the country. So if by chance you are a hostel operator through this live streaming and you hear me talk today, it is important that you understand that I'm inviting all hostel operators to talk to them. I really want to understand how they arrive at what they are charging. We need to be fair to them as well. And that I believe it is important that we understand the situation and tackle it head on. I don't want to use any Rambo style to attack investors who have suffered to build hostels, who give opportunity for students to have place to sleep. Either I don't really want them to take advantage of the loophole of the law by the fact that demand and supply or demand has outstripped supply, definitely taking advantage of the demand and supply issues to charge rent arbitrarily under Section 10 of the Rent Act, 1963 Act 220. No landlord or no property owner, including hostel operators, can sit at will at the comfort of their hostels at their place and be charging. From today, and I want to reiterate once again, all hostel operators are banned from sitting home and increasing their rents. This is my last caution after tomorrow meeting with them. I'm also giving opportunity for hostel operators tomorrow at Closac Hall Ministries to hybrid. Hostel operators can join live. Tell us, rent control, what happened or why you keep on increasing. I've heard many hostel operators saying that government has not built for them. I am part of government, but I believe the law must work. Let me send a word of caution to all of hostel operators once again. You have your property. Government has a responsibility of ensuring that hostel laws or rent laws of the Republic works. If you believe that you work in Ghana, if you believe that Ghana laws must work, it has taken 63 years for a certain president, John Dramani Mahama, to appoint a rent commissioner after 63 years. So if you see the mess that is going around rent issues, where people think the laws are not working and cannot be enforced, let me reiterate once again. As an acting rent commissioner, I have no business to do, and I will never be part of those appointees who sit behind their chairs and turn 63 degrees and enjoy themselves in office. I want to make sure that the rent laws work, and I have a legacy to build. And the president, whose I carry his vision, President Mahama has a vision, and the vision is to ensure that we sanitize the rent system. If the fair gentleman of the land has decided to make the law work, no man born of a woman in this country would abuse the law. Let me send a word of caution to the operators and those who are hiding as owners. No matter your pedigree in government or not in government, no political affiliation. I don't want to be involved in these political gimmicks. If you involve yourself and you are whoever and you are part and you're owner of a hostel, and I get to know that you are behind, I will name and shame you. Believing that even if I have an appointment in this government under President Mahama, the president wants to see the right things done, I will mention you and shame you. For the government to know that you, that an appointee or any part of wherever you belong, that you must respect the laws. At this point in time, I have heard UCC. I'm here today. Yesterday, I dropped at Winneba. I did some of them. I'm here. Outrageously and disappointingly, I have realized that hostel operators in UCC sit down arbitrarily and increase rent hostels, even if they have charged. Students are home and they will send communique that they have increased. Today, you are stopped. Tomorrow is the final day I want to meet you. Either you comply or you prosecute you. Any hostel operator who defies Section 10 of the law will be prosecuted. Either you will be closed down. I'm aware Today, I have gone to some hostels, and they have not even registered with Ghana Tourism Authority. And the same people have what it takes to be charging money illegally, and nobody is stopping them. I, Freddy Kopoku, as an artillery rent commissioner, will stop them. And that if you think you are a man, stand away, and you'll be crushed. I want to let you understand that I'm coming here in peace. Yesterday, we saw what happened in Accra. I don't know what brought me here, how I got here yesterday. God knows. The way I passed to get to Cape Coast here, it means tomorrow I'm having meeting with hostel operators. And I want to come here and remind hostel operators who has decided not to respect the laws. Today, I went to Maplink's hostel. And he's telling me government has not built for them. I'm part of government. So if I have come to talk to you and you are telling me government has not built, you are insulting me and you are indicting the government. That the government can force you. Such a person will be smoked out. Because we will not allow anybody here in this country any longer to respect the rules of the laws of the republic. And now, you were thinking that you are in the United States, you are in the UK, and you have to respect the laws. When you come to Ghana, you come and do investment here, and you think the law must not work. And I'm saying, those of you who have built properties in Ghana, living in the United States of America, UK, and the Europe, and the Americas, and you think that the laws of UK and America will work on rent. But Ghana there, it's biara. I am telling you, mark my word and read my lips, that anybody who crosses my way will be crushed. As long and as far as rent control exists. And this is the first time, mind you, it's a game changer. There has never been a commissioner after 63 years. Since Kwame Nkrumah independence, the law said there must be a commissioner. Now I carry the vision and the mandate of the President of the Republic. And don't try to get yourself in trouble. I'm asking you the last time. Today, if any hostel operator in Ghana has any intention to make any increment, you are stopped. If you go ahead and increase, don't say that I didn't caution you. I'll get to the Attorney General. We will close you down and will prosecute you. And if you are found guilty, you face the full rigors of the law. At this point in time, I want to thank all of you. Keep on watching us. This government wants to make sure that the laws of the Republic works. And it's on my shoulder, it's being carried out. So I will do the best I can to make sure we work. We are here at what? Stana what? Hostel. What? Stana Hotel, okay.
Bata na obichi de banana namba. Ne waje de bia bi ezi. Ma frama wo je ziban puti hono maami catch hono maami meziban sa. Ne mom na ze ma ho esidan ne ze. Opeyina small ken ze. Wo abo hon. Ne mom suku fa wo ti dan me de ho yiweje. Zane de kwana wo fada wo je hon aye etwamenebo onkwan kra. Nti o se hamba no be 360 degrees so orobo 90 wabo 30 wabo 45 degrees ana oboboa mo bi se wasam nti gine kwen hwa the bulldozer ba obi yiwe fiwo ya kwahena yimiza na no ye kigina wo oye ensu to a nazema pi nyan wo home ona pay Kosa TV to nsafrey opeyina aka promodin payfo mo djuma na no owo fiaze wo oye efutu community Ono ozerejuma onia Richard Jima Bakansa boy ba bensim sede yika atidi yarba malaria abakwa na otum farba abamwa no utum na utemrikawo
yaka intridi yare anase malaria yare life threatening disease aya emwa bi ayemfe ni wanhu mo de ba efre Plasmodium parasite na sa Plasmodium parasite no omehia a vector ne dindi female anopheles mosquito na watimi abekaye na wode sa Plasmodium no amaye enti sa kwan we yaso ana yefa so enya malaria na adia ba kwa Plasmodium no eni se Plasmodium no wo species ahodo bebre ye wo ba kwa very common na Ghana hase and I say Sahara Africa hase Plasmodium falciparum and ye wo Plasmodium vivax ye wo Plasmodium malariae ɛna ɛwɔ plasmodium ovary ɛna ɛwɔ plasmodium knowlensis ɛwɔ ahodoɔ makomako enum a ɔmode saa yare ɛfrɛ no ntiridi yare ɛyɛ malaria no ɛbrɛyɛ na sɛnam din kakaeɛ no ɛyɛ aboa anasɛ vector yɛfrɛ no female anopheles mosquito ɔne na ɛkɔfa na ɔbɛkaeɛ no ɔde mayɛ na deɛ teɛ ne sɛ ade nti na ɛyɛ female anopheles mosquito ɛyɛ ntontumi a ɔyɛ besie yi na otimi kɔfa ba deɛ nti a ɛyɛ ne saa ne sɛ female anopheles mosquito no ɔno ana ofidi on human blood your male mosquitoes or no but female anopheles mosquitoes ofidi on human blood na wade o ano bi a bofo kasa proboscis mouth nche se na no ye fia a otimi de sake moja no efri nipam na otimi process saa efense plasmodium no e de be kae de mai na ofa the male type na ono no oni da proboscis mouth no a no fia no obetimi de asake no omo de no omo timi efidi on male one omo fidi on plant nectar enti na ma female anopheles mosquito no nko a ene timi transmit plasmodium no ma ya nya malaria.
Tamin Samin Onuya Richard Jima Odutuga Okodo Babe Sim Chirede Yawa of Bro Beruno Apomedina so impayful Wizain de Yoko Oya OPD Department Debiara Nazumba Oba Pira Yersa Nika se Oyeti di Yerba Paza Panti Osane de Yeshua Kwana Oya Eti di Yerba Onyanu mosquito for Wazaba Besena woman no was a new philosopher, now near your dodo, I'm a Nazamba P. Rebre.
Ye Oko OPD settings, Ghana has service, most of the cases are ye recorded case, morbidity cases now, malaria and a topic every year be a malaria and a topic, essence, yentias, any point faso, ABC and no quano, and I yen. Sena midin kan se aboa ni dindi female anopheles mosquito ye ntontom no ebekawa what next de tie ne se okawa o inject seed plasmodium seed ne friend sporozoid na a travel afa bloodstream na kwa na go straight to the liver na questions no say adentina emwano ekoli pedue ni ma straightforward oko liver nim answer edi enti na mane liver no wonko baby different place but liver nim no oko de tie ne say liver no e wo cells be friend hepatocyte this cells no omutimi produce proteins bia emwa na e friend plasmodium no epe enti travel corner ono mutimi survival first na omutimi efa aduane omope omotimi anyini ewo ho enti se eba sana within 7 to 9 days asana ma exit aba bloodstream nim ama nipa na start enya symptoms na mame sanko fan free die enti a nipa bebre enti ase no ene se aya na bebre dwene se malaria no ebia kwafofo bi so ana nipa na fa so enya malaria apart from TN say mosquito no so that me can ofidi on human blood okay enti yene human being yene na reservoir okay of plasmodium no okay but ye moja na abo ne be wode na ohwe na no fia na wode piki blood no okay. But ano fia na wo ba ko pese no ekuta 6 needles and as sharp needles ana wode piki na ye TN say opiki a ye moja no ekuta if we be gametocyte just say male and female plasmodium eti obefa na odi kolimu na wa start a process in front metamorphosis na odi grow enti o grow ni mu a ansa na be mature edu stage a ebetimi aye plasmodium na ebetimi ama enipa malaria no ansa na odi abeka na wanya malaria eti process no from a vector to human being sana etie ne mum enye human being to human being communicable disease. It's a communicable disease because any communicable disease have 3 principles. The first principle say a communicable disease must have an agent. Agent in the plasmodium no dey yare ne maye no. Then it must also have a transmission. That transmission also ye aboa na or vector na ye find female anopheles mosquito no okofa no. Then it must also have a host. Aye ne nipa na ye so ye den obekaye no. Sana process no etie. Until go round circle.
Onuya Richard Jima san chire mede apomudin asho yimpanyimfo de nhihye pa etumegwo na afibiara wo bira wotum na wodobo oyempa din kankan mafroma ode bebi a nti de no oma wontum ngira hone nado mfian na abaseno kwano no wa bo mazin guda worbra dam oye eti de ye be yase no batuta asra nazimba don fibere to bere no waji oye net na oye ntuntunbun womo mozin na wundem na wunjaye mejeje garden abandama odawre hoba nkankan ahona oboa Ghana mo to de man mali
mame starting free measures ni bia de gu akwan mu sisi ano wo hwe for 3 years ago I started malaria vaccine ayewo emofra wadi mfie less than within 5 years children under 5 ayewo mo vaccine no na you started with 6 months na I want the first dose na 7 months so wawo na 9 months wawo ana 18th month so no asanso awo se no obenya full protection no na bono ban free in 3 day ya ho na enu na chi no enu no nkyere se eme enkoso ne na yentuntum bum wo hwe Ghana Health Service ejumedi a yedi every 3 years bia no ye ne UNICEF support so Ghana Health Service any other partners donor partners eboa ma yenya mosquito net yedem bebo en ho ban every ntidi yare ho nanso wo hwe Ghana ya attitude mpempi dodo na gi mosquito net all right but ye na mosquito net because bebre the mosquito net no eje garden ebi so de ye emme ebi de ye niam bebre impono few ones na aya na omo peso mo bedem ne mo kro mo de ye omo windows and okra de atin say ye kakra but dodo na no they don't sleep under the treated insecticide net because they feel say emu ye hye na omo kan sem bebre enti the only thing na ebe boy kese pa very economical ema ye nyina ebetimi afford ne say ye beda under the treated insecticide net na boy ho ban wo yo painful a etwa say wo da mosquito net ni de bo ho ban ene abofra no ho ban se wo ye abofra so etwa say wo dam even efie phone nyina household phone nyina etwa say obia eda entuntum bom ne bo no ho ban ehun hia pa afen so wo hwe ye attitude ye tata bontin pa che enti ono so de na ebeye ebetimi ahye long sleeves and as trousers betima protect your skin no and as ho baby bebre na entonton nyaye den embekaye na omaye yare no and no most of times no from 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. na ye share san tarena betimi abo ho ban na ya hwe vector control one of the things it just ye me ni so cost bebre esen se o hwe ye feature bebre ho fufu ye no ho ho no aseve as a habitant entontom a friend female afro mosquito no ekotena na ho na odidi ho na otena na wabanumre abekaye abefa emuja enti de yare na mai enti no etwase ye feature na fufu ni nyina no yebo modern ase ye bedo do ho no mu se na be ya mo anya baabi om betena. Number 2 etwase ye drain stagnant water and one thing about into the yare na se bia about mosquitoes in female anopheles mosquitoes ni say they don't like dirty water. They like clean water. Insu eniti ana omoye den omope. Enti stagnant water bia a way feature na say way ye mantem no. If you see a draining na and it should not be one time. If you see a no continuous. anytime you so beto bia na ebehun se bia betata ifichi bia na se teta ye kwan mu no etwa se edwene no e ma ne firi wono mu se na be ya entonton no ye den enkotena so no mo ye den omo endoso anase omo ngo multiply e bekai afi so ye ntontra ye tugu bebi etutu ye ne magu a serve as jinsuo eta o mai emo ti se bia etu ten ato baabi ensu abetem ya to tie rubber bia to baabi ensu abetem sane mani nyina etwa se ye den ye discard ni nyina ye properly sane be ya entonton no ye den enkotena wo na on anaju embekai emfa ya rene mai periodically etwa se ye fie krampo no ye general cleaning every week bia yedem because so hwe yedem a very scattered uba ya hasia dodo na ye one room na ntade ne bibia egugu ho no hange ne mountain space no ema abo bi nya access ntontom nya access betena wo no pe obe start se obetena wo na okai na o ma yare ne ye treat still na ne yesan so yare malaria because yentimi nye clean e wo ye fie na emwa ma sa omo hiding place ni nyina yentimi den expose omo.
Joe, Zaidu to him sebo and there, Yamaboa China, Oyakosa TV, Yako, Oya Community Connect, and take coronation honor you to miracle. Honorable Assembly member Adjihena Tum, Oya Honorable Felicin, Adjihena Tum, or any paying for opinion leaders, and Quanco, Baby Ababa Bois, near Chunkomo, Afra damage medium, and see Ashafune Tefu, a Chinasu, one from Hunifiro online, no, Facebook and YouTube Yinara. On front to Oya Costa TV na Community Connect nezi ndema pi nyana obutun abokodo jo aha ina yezo don ko kase boni hina yidibisi samakan santama samani bi nyide Chief Justice Omani mu abakansa de akisi abofom aboade wunsi aye mbrenyim asoye fofor ama ofibere tubere no wotuno ye bibipa etum na atena damejumedi yara se na henesa Berima Dr. Kusata kakansa so te kasa na futu tuma Ghana da mamazin na yentumi yimbwa inso yiri ama nazimepi ahwe ejapaze akoro kurapa ahwe hunukwa im namdom na franka tunya odeme MPP akaya adoye wo oyenkranmantom ne pinyo keke ho na nnaso ezebrawo ndasoso nko bokwa ma aboafo oye YPFO Ghana Petroleum Authority for Yedahunasi, National Petroleum Authority for Yedahunasi. Don't forget to be no by Martin Nefi, Utumnota Hinechi Pinti. The Marsuna, on your brand, a mission, a Jumazin Fitan, pay it to my board the Yabre, Ayukos Runku, na Yutumizamon. A rabba, the Fina, I see. Babuai, Churchill, and Samba Bay, Semi, Kusibri Bakara, a producer. Remember, Ayukos Runku. Na wotum na wabom nsem he etuma aba achiraba Susan tahin echiri woya amanodo no so mana yeko nazamba ahorwa wo hwe hene bebe ewo biara no so yetum ye cheche hon mesenzi OMAR bin ABDULLAH oyo tumfu ala ne pia abefofore besene yeshia ma wonyere mo ne tei mo na hwa meje so mjima hirwa